Welcome to Bangkok, the City of Angels. Today, we begin our journey in the heart of Thailand's vibrant capital. The air is thick with the aroma of street food and the energy of a city that never truly sleeps. Our first stop is the historic Grand Palace, a complex of stunning buildings that has been the heart of the city since 1782. Every inch is covered in intricate mosaics and gold leaf, reflecting the deep spiritual heritage of the Thai people. Take a moment to soak in the grandeur of these sacred spires as they reach toward the tropical sky. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Leaving the palace behind, we head toward the river, the lifeblood of Bangkok for centuries. The water is alive with boats of all sizes, ferrying commuters and explorers across the city. Across the water stands Wat Arun, its porcelain-encrusted prang shining brightly in the sun. In Bangkok, beauty is often found in the small details of its labyrinthine side streets. A quick stop for a refreshing Thai iced tea provides the perfect energy boost for our walk. No visit is complete without the thrill of a tuk-tuk ride through the city's famous traffic. Bangkok is a city of incredible contrasts, where the ancient and the ultra-modern live side by side. We've arrived at Wat Phra, one of the oldest and largest temple complexes in the city. Inside lies the reclining Buddha, 46 meters of gold-plated serenity. The details on the soles of the feet depict the 108 auspicious characteristics of the true Buddha. The sound of chanting and bells creates an atmosphere of profound peace amidst the urban chaos. As we continue, the local markets offer a glimpse into the incredible craftsmanship of Thailand. The smell of sizzling spices is inescapable. It's time to find a local favorite for lunch. The warmth of the Thai people is what truly makes this city the land of smiles. Beyond the main roads, the klongs or canals offer a slower, more traditional pace of life. You'll see these spirit houses everywhere, a beautiful blend of animist and Buddhist traditions. Modern Bangkok expresses itself through creative street art that tells the story of its evolving identity. The Pak Khlong Talat Flower Market is a sensory overload of scents and colors. Every step brings a new discovery, a new perspective on this multifaceted metropolis. As evening approaches, the city prepares for a whole new kind of energy. Part 1 of our walk is coming to an end, but our journey is just beginning. We've only scratched the surface of what this incredible city has to offer. Join us in Part 2 as we explore more of Bangkok's hidden gems. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.